Hello, dear fourth graders. Welcome back to our English lesson. This is our third video lesson, and today we're going to start a new unit 12. And today's our lesson is What's the Matter? As you guessed, today we're going to talk about illness. But first of all, let me introduce you with our lesson objectives. Today, you'll be able to identify words for illness, understand the short story, learn should and shouldn't, learn how to give advice when someone is ill. Tell me, kids, where do you go if you feel sick? Okay, yes, you probably go to a hospital, right? So now we are going to visit a doctor. And here he is. But unfortunately, a lot of kids want to see him today. Let's listen to them and what their problems are. The doctor asks, "What's the matter?" And the first patient, he says, "I have a headache." A headache. What's the matter? I feel sick. Feel sick. What's the matter? I feel dizzy. Dizzy. What's the matter? I have a cold. A cold. What's the matter? I have a cough. A cough. What's the matter? I have an earache. An earache. What's the matter? I have a stomach ache. A stomach ache. What's the matter? I have a sore throat. A sore throat. Oh dear. You should take some medicine and get some rest. I hope you get better soon. Take medicine. You can also pronounce as medicine. Both are correct. This is our doctor's advice. Okay, all of you guys, turn to page 92. Here. Okay, page 92 and the unit 12. Here you can see the words we have just learned. And look at these pictures. Max and his family. What are they doing? Look at the second one. What is mom giving Max? And the third. Where are the cakes? And finally, why is mom angry? Look at this. First of all, you have to answer this question, but first of all, let's watch this video.
Max, what's the matter? You haven't eaten your dinner.
Sorry, Mum. I've got a stomachache and a headache. I feel sick.
Oh dear, I think you're ill. You should drink some water and go to bed. There were lots of cakes before. Has anyone seen the others?
Oh, sorry, Mum. I ate some. In fact, I ate quite a lot.
But you shouldn't eat cakes when you've got a stomachache.
I ate the cakes before I got a stomachache.
You couldn't eat your dinner, but you could eat all those cakes. So that's why you feel sick. Now you can't go to your friend's house this afternoon.
Sorry, Mum.
Yes. We've just watched the story, and I think you can understand now why Max feels sick. Okay. So here, can you find me some words here? Should and shouldn't. Okay, should is here. Should and shouldn't. You shouldn't eat cakes, right? So, guys, how do you think? When do we use the word should and shouldn't? Okay, here's the rule. Here's the rule. Should and shouldn't. Use should and shouldn't to say what is good and not good for you. For example, you should drink some water. Should means, I think it's a good idea for you to do it. It's about giving advice. You shouldn't eat lots of cakes. Shouldn't means, I think it's not a good idea for you to do it. Okay, so look at this, Max. Yeah, he has a stomach ache. We have to complete the sentences with should and shouldn't, giving him some pieces of advice. Max is ill, he's got a stomach ache. Max shouldn't drink water. What about playing outside? How do you think, guys? Okay, he shouldn't, right? He shouldn't play outside. What about staying in bed? He should, right? He should stay in bed. What about chocolates? Of course, he shouldn't eat chocolates because he got a stomach ache. Okay, so well done, guys. Your home task. Your home task is on page 86 of your workbook. Unit 12, what's the matter? And the exercise is number 1, what matched the sentences with the pictures? Here. Number 1 is C, he's got a stomach ache. And we can write exercise number 2, Sarah, Jimmy, Becky, and Aaron. Jimmy had a headache. You have to write their health problems, okay? The next page, page 787. Read and circle. You have to choose between the should and shouldn't. Here. And exercise number 2. Look at the pictures, write what each child should and or shouldn't do to feel better. Okay. Julia, Alex, Lizzie, James, Emily, and Ben. I hope everything is clear. So see you soon. Goodbye.